today and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to turn the chicken thigh into a fine dining meal. You see this in the store all the time, very reasonable price, very cheap, and today we want to show you how to turn it into fine dining meal. So first let's start with the spinach. We're gonna make the stuffing first. Actually, before I start with the spinach, I wanna crumble the feta cheese first. Voila, feta cheese all crumbled. Let's put it on the side. And now let's chop the spinach. The spinach, I'm gonna chop it very fine. On top the feta cheese. Red pepper, onion, fine chop as well. Fresh lemon juice. Salt and pepper. Olive oil. Now we're gonna mix it very well, and we'll work on the chicken thigh. Chicken thigh, usually you can see there's extra skin on it, a lot of fat. So all what you need, just trim it. Use it using the scissor or a knife, doesn't matter. But trim the unwanted pieces. You're gonna put your finger under the skin, between the meat and the skin, and you're gonna create a nice pocket. So with this pocket here, we're gonna fill it up with the mix we just did. Voila, now we're gonna put it in the baking tray and we're gonna do all of them. Little bit of Montreal chicken spice on top. Fresh lemon slice, one each. And make sure you preheat your oven to 425. And we're gonna cook the chicken for 40 to 45 minutes or till your thermometer read 170. In the meantime, waiting for the chicken to be ready, I'm gonna make some vegetable and potato. And the potato here, I'm using the sweet potatoes. I'm gonna slice it medallion, about 1/4 inch thick. Olive oil. Salt and pepper. Cover it up. Voila. Now let's flip them. And sweet potato, easy to know when they're ready. Try to push. If it's break easy, that means it's ready and doesn't take long. Potato almost ready. And for the greens here, I have Chinese broccoli. You can use broccolini if you want. But I have a Chinese broccoli here, so what I need just to slice it in half and a rough chop. Voila, potatoes ready. Let's transfer the potato into a plate. Oh, lovely. Voila. Now the same oil, we're gonna keep it on medium. And I want to cook the hard part in this Chinese broccoli first. When they're halfway done, we're gonna add the rest of the leaves, a little red pepper for color, and doesn't hurt to add a little sesame, salt and pepper, Chinese broccoli doesn't take long to turn off, and the chicken should be ready. Let's check on it. Oh, look at this beautiful chicken thigh. And you see the juice here? This is gonna be amazing sauce for it. Now time to serve. I'm starving. Let's start with the vegetable and the sweet potato. Chicken on top. The juice was in the bottom. Wow, look at that beauty. Now let's give a try. Wow, chicken so tender, full of flavor from the spinach feta cheese and the broccoli, the sweet potato. Amazing combination. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.